Today I'm going to show you how to add environment variables on a Shopify UI extension app. Now the reason I'm doing this is because when I was searching up on how to do this, I was getting a lot of different answers, and some even suggested that you cannot do it and that you're supposed to use metafields instead. But I think it's pretty simple, so I'm just gonna show you how to do it here. So first I'm gonna just create a Shopify app. So we've got a build a React router app and we have a build an extension only app. That's what we're looking for. I know before I used to say build a remix app, so I'm not sure why it says build a React router app now. Might be something new. I'll check that out later. But here we go. On this organization, create as a new app. I'm just gonna call it PW demo app. Okay, so we have our app here. Obviously there's nothing on the extension because we have not created the extension yet. What I want to do is I want to move it away from that folder. I just put it into my main folder. Something you don't have to do, but that's what I want to do. Then just get rid of this. I don't know why it's giving me an error here. There shouldn't be an error. Who cares? Anyway, so I'm gonna generate an extension. So you get a bunch of extensions here. I'm gonna go for custom account. I think it's just the easiest one to test. Just keep the same name. Cool, so I have my app here. I'm just gonna run it quickly. But before I do that, I want to, where's my Tomfar? Yeah, I just want to change the target. It's not order status page, but this page, you can only view it if you already have an order on your Shopify store or your dev Shopify store. I'm gonna change the profile. Easier to view that way. I'm gonna give it a quick run. npm run dev. Oops. Oh, nice. Okay. There we go. I should get URL coming up very soon. Here we go. Where's building a preview? We've got a preview. Let's go to our preview. So you're gonna get a page like this. Click on it. And there it is. That's the app that's the extension right now, and that's the block. So everything's working there. Let's move this away. If you don't know where that is, that's just over here. So translated. That info will be on your locale, but basically anything you change here will translate to that block I just showed you. Anyway, so let's just exit the preview. What we want to do is we want to create a new file. I'm going to call it .env. And then here we can just say secret key. And then we'll just say this is a secret. Save that. We'll go back to our block. And then under here we can say console.log. We're going to say process. Oh no. Stop that. Okay, process.env dot secret key. Cool. Now immediately you can see that this is showing as an error because obviously I haven't installed the necessary package for environment variables to run. But if you can see the error here, it says, cannot find name process. Do you need to install type definition for node? And yes, that's exactly what we need to do. We need to run this npm I -- save -dev and then types node. So we're just going to copy this. Save that. So you get a warning, but that's fine. So now we can run this now. npm run dev again. Now, what I would say is, whatever your TOML file is, make sure that it matches the env. So this one's just shopify.app.toml, but if it's shopify.app. I don't know, pwdemo.toml, then you want to make this into .env.pwdemo.toml. I'm sorry, .env.pwdemo. Yeah, so you just need to make sure that the env file matches the name of your TOML file. But obviously in this instance, just the default name. So this works. Okay, so we're just gonna run this now one more time. Open. Run here. We'll just see if we console log that. We have no errors, which is good. And there it is. This is a secret. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed that and it was useful for you. I'll be posting some more stuff regarding Shopify apps, particularly UI extensions or even some functions. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I think is it share, the second one, right? Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and share, please. Thank you very much.